Hey Matt, what you doing?
Well, I have an idea. I'm throwing a stern anchor. So the problem is we're in this really rolling anchorage. The island we're anchored behind is great because it's kind of blocking the wind. We're facing mostly into the wind, but the waves are wrapping around the island, which means they're hitting us on our beam at least half the time. We're rolling, swinging, swaying, and so we're going to try to solve this by deploying the stern anchor. Oh, and by the end of the video you're going to see a major mistake we made in getting up that stern anchor, which we no longer have. So we hope you learned something from it and enjoy this quick video. So we have the Danforth. She makes a great stern anchor, digs in well. Nothing but sand behind us, no grass or coral. So anyway, the idea is these waves the last 2 days now, 3 days, the third day, just wrapping around the island that's kind of cutting the wind down for us. But there's some 2-foot rollers here. That gets to be a little intense when the bow goes sideways to them. We start rocking. Here we go, see? Look at that. So I'm going to take a stern anchor, pull it out, and get our nose really just off the wind to where the wind pushes us this way, but to where we're facing into the waves. The waves are coming about 40 degrees off of the wind, actually, due to the island, the diffraction, whatever it is, when they wrap around. So we're going to try it out. We're going to put it down. I need the dinghy to do it. I can't just throw the anchor. I need a good 40 feet at least out there, I believe. And it's going to increase the comfort. That's my bet. And off I go. All right, next phase. Time to tighten the line and don't let go. If I let go, then we're on an anchor hunt. Here we go. Hopefully I have it at a good enough angle. Okay, so it's tight. Give it a wrap. Let's see if it holds the stern. Swing it all the way around. Wait till we rotate again. I'm gonna pull some more in. That's pretty snug. I pulled in another 10 feet there. Let's give it a wrap. Okay, that's good. That's keeping us pointed 90% into the wind. More importantly, 80% into the waves. You know, monohulls typically they'll get blown, back end swings around, and they get blown, back end swings around, so they do like a figure 8 on the hook. The stern anchor is keeping us more right here, just a little bit of give, which is way more comfortable. No more listing side to side with the waves hitting us on the beam. Just a little bit of up and down. It's really nice. I like it a lot. So maybe Nancy won't feel as nauseated. And
I don't know, you can see my fingers. Fingers crossed.
This might even be the end of the episode right here. How to tie 3 anchors on one boat.
How to pretend like you're on a dock on anchor.
We are tied up like we're on a dock essentially. It's quite nice right here. You can see it's pretty stable. This is our replacement stern anchor. We just got this in. It's a Danforth. The anchor we had was a Danforth. This one's aluminum, the other one was stainless steel. But essentially, we made a big mistake. When we went to pull the anchor in, we thought because it's such a small anchor, we could just pull it in. Matter of fact, we even put it on the winch to pull it in. Well, the mistake is the Danforths work because when they get pulled in, they dig down. And the anchorage we were in had like 12, maybe 24 inches of soft sand. And the more we pulled that anchor in, the deeper it dug. I actually got in the dinghy, went out after the anchor because we couldn't get it in. Dove under the water, and you couldn't even see the anchor. I dug some of the chain out, and I couldn't even get to the anchor. It was so deep. We had to actually just cut the rope. But anyway, this is the replacement. That's the mistake we made, retrieving the stern anchor. I think what we could have done in hindsight, one of two things. Actually, we could have loosened the primary anchors and allow the boat to come back and then lift the anchor up. Or I could have gotten to the dinghy and we could have tied on a float to this anchor, dinghied over above it, and lifted it up with the float vertical. Anyway, that was the lesson we learned. We hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Appreciate it, and we'll see you soon.